When I think about this time of year, I think about all of the amazing vegetables that are at their peak of ripeness. Couple that with tender pasta and a delicious mouth-watering sauce, and you've got yourself dinner on the table. I love this dish so much because it is super easy. You can use whatever vegetables you have on hand, and if you're cooking for a crowd, this one is a pleaser for sure. There are 3 different steps to this dish that are pretty important, and the first is the sauce. I typically start the sauce first because it can sit while everything else cooks. I'll start by sauteing down onion, bell pepper, celery, bacon, and a bit of garlic until it's nice and tender. I'll season it with salt and pepper so that we get layers of flavor from the very beginning. Then I'll add in white wine, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and a bit of chicken stock. When that reduces down, I'll swirl in some butter, a pinch of sugar, red pepper flakes, and a good sprinkle of herbes de Provence. Then I'll set the sauce aside while I work on the pasta and the vegetables. I'll add a pot of water on the stove with a bit of salt and then bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, my oven is preheated to 375 degrees. I'll add the salt, black pepper, white pepper, and ground pink peppercorns to a bowl with good olive oil and a pinch of brown sugar. Then I'll rub that all over salmon fillets that'll get roasted until they're just about cooked through. While the fish is cooking, I'll add the pasta to the water and slosh it around so nothing sticks. About 4 minutes before the pasta is done, I'll throw in a bunch of vegetables to blanch. I've got zucchini, yellow squash, broccolini, green beans, and asparagus. I'll cook the vegetables just for a few moments, and then I'll drain the pasta and the vegetables together and then mix them with the sauce. I'll mix well to combine, and I'll throw in a good handful of Pecorino Romano cheese. A bit of black pepper, and I'll top it with fresh basil. I'll do a squeeze of lemon juice right over the fish and then serve the whole meal with a chilled glass of wine. This is a perfect way to use vegetables that are ripe and at the peak of perfection. For this recipe and so many more, you know exactly where to go. It's gonna be on my website, which is dariuscooks.tv. There's 2 things I wanna tell you, as I always do. Food is my life, life. It's my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you happy cooking from my heart to yours.